bad inclement weather, and we get like 7 hurricanes warning a year.
Fishing in a hurricane, guys. That's crazy, right? Only Jamaican shore fishing is that obsessed with fishing that he does shit like this. Jamaican shore fishing. Not the normal content, but big up yourself, guys. We just filmed this video this morning. Pushing out in this storm, this hurricane that they say is passing us, heading towards the Caymans. So I'm gonna head out this morning. I got some work to do. So stay tuned. We'll take you guys along the trip with me, guys. Not my normal routine, but take you guys into some work that I'm doing. So stay tuned. I just got to secure a property, make sure everything's okay, everything's battened down, everything's all right, nothing's getting damaged. All right, guys, stay tuned. Boom, boom. All right. Yeah, guys, so this is what this looks like. I'm pulling out. As you see, the water coming off this hillside here. Lots and lots of water, guys. But we're going to take you off for another tall hill. And let me get my seatbelt on here so you guys don't hear that annoying noise. And I got my phone. I got everything with me. Everything's charged. Very bad weather, guys. You know, I normally come out and document this stuff. The last hurricane that we had, I was out in the middle of it, and you guys seen that. So now, today I'm working. It's work day, weekday. Normal day for me. Normal day in a Jamaican's life. Bad inclement weather. And we get like 7 hurricanes warning a year, and trust me, thank God, they don't hit more deadly or dangerous than that, and nobody has gotten that seriously hurt. I mean, we have had a few deaths and so in the past and stuff like that, but I mean, thank God for this, how you say, this being that soft right now, and we appreciate that. So anyways, take a look at Montego Bay, guys. Pulling off the hill here and coming down to the town, and as I can see, red lights on brake lights already, ladies and gentlemen, and you know what that means. Traffic jamming. Remember that tune, traffic? Cool, man. How is it? Was it traffic blocking? That was the name of it. Yeah, traffic blocking. Yeah. I don't want to sing the song because I'll probably get a copyright strike for that one. You know what I'm saying? So big up yourself, guys. We're out here doing our thing. That's how Jamaican shore fishing do it. Give you authentic content. We're gonna take you inside the town while we're coming back and run through the middle of the town and see what that's looking like, and give you guys a little preview of Jamaican shore fishing. None of our videos are ever planned or script, guys. This is freestyle, straight off the top of the head, and you're rolling Jamaican shore fishing today. Stay tuned. We are out here. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing. So here we are now. We're down the River Bay Road here in Montego Bay, and the weather, inclement weather, bad weather. We're getting it. I heard it's passing the grill right about now, and we're heading westerly down. By the way, guys, heading towards the grill direction. But like I said, I have some work to do, guys. I gotta stop in, check on the house, make sure everything's all right there. Everything's okay with the weather. Move some furnitures off the patio, and make sure all that stuff is straightened up. So just without further ado, guys, we'll get down here and check on this place, because it's on the ocean, guys. You got to know when you have properties on ocean side, you have to make sure all of that stuff is secured properly and nothing's going to blow away into the ocean and wash away. So costly stuff, of course. So stay tuned. We going down to the lagoon. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Yeah, guys, so my camera kind of got off focus a little bit. I had to focus it there. So we're here getting up to the house real quick, and yeah, guys, just checking on everything down here, make sure everything's all right. Bang bang. Thank you, Missy, you're in my way. Thank you. Let's get in here real quick. Ooh, in the carport, so keep the car dry. Let's see what's up, guys. Alright, guys. I gotta get my damn. Either I put my head strap on. Yeah, let me get my head strap. Let me get my head strap on because I can keep my hands. Yeah. Alright, guys. So I just got to the house. So I got to get these furnitures moved back without scratching the floor, so I have to get some help. So let me get these stuff out of the way and clear this stuff out of the way so that they don't get blown away and stuff like that, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing, we are out here. Hey guys, so I gotta secure everything that's outside that can blow away in the storm. As you can see up there, the storm's coming. It's coming across. You see a top there, across top there. So I'm trying to get some of this stuff up and put them back on the dock, back up on the porch right there, so they don't get blown away into the water. And we got to get new ones. So get myself all wet here. Right there, buddy. In case the wind picks up, they don't get blown away. The pots are okay. I can't lift those up. But might get my rod and throw out and see if I can pick something up. Bad weather casting. Cheryl. Yeah. Yeah, let me get this cushion off of this. Getting myself all wet with this cushion, guys. Woohoo. Hang you over. You can't get you over? Miss Cheryl today and I storm people. Yes, Miss Cheryl. Alright, so that's it. Alright, I hit that, right? Yeah. This is going in too, right? Yeah. Yeah. Securing up. Shall we lock all this stuff inside? The debris don't fly around hitting under the glass. That stuff is pretty heavy out there, so. Alright. Had a wind knot, guys. See if I can pick up my Cheryl a barrel real quick. I doubt in these shallows, but I said me knot up look a while, my Cheryl. Me line knot up on me look a while. So me have to come and pull you out look a while. Hey guys. So I got a wind knot. I get a wind knot a while ago from me knotting up, obviously. But I'm trying to get out here to the deeper side and actually get a good cast without getting hitched up out here. Highly doubt it, but like I said, especially in these kind of weather, guys, you're not gonna get much hits. I highly doubt it. And if you do, he's a lucky son of a gun. That means he's hanging out in this weather. And I've never lure fished in the rain and gotten anything. So who knows, maybe today will be different. High vis lure, high pitched. Nothing. Fishing in a hurricane, guys. That's crazy, right? Only Jamaican shore fishing is that obsessed with fishing that he does shit like this. Imagine that, we get hooked on a big snooker or tarpon or one of them big fish, guys. That'd be crazy. Crazy action for you guys in this one. Get out to that mooring ball. Nothing. Hey guys, so like I said, I just wanted a few casts, see what I could pick up in the rain. Just not happening today, so stay tuned. Back to work, guys.